Emma arrives in New York with mixed emotions, excitement and a bit of nerves. She settles into her new apartment and decides to introduce herself to her neighbors. She knocks on the door next to hers, and a man opens it.
Hi. My name is Emma. I just moved here from Colombia.
Nice to meet you, Emma. Welcome to the building. What brought you to New York?
Thanks, John. I moved here for work. I have an opportunity with a tech company. Although, honestly, New York has always fascinated me.
That sounds exciting. New York has a unique energy, although it can feel overwhelming at first.
Yes, I think that's what worries me the most. Have you been here long?
About 5 years now. The city has everything, and eventually, you get used to the pace. If you need advice or some company, let me know.
I will. I really appreciate the welcome, John. Do you have any nearby food recommendations?
Sure, it depends on what you like. There's a great Italian restaurant a block away for dinner. Do you like Italian food?
I love it. Sounds perfect. Maybe I'll try it this week. Thanks again, John.
You're welcome, Emma. Good luck on your first day, and enjoy New York. I'm sure you'll love living here.
The next day, Emma attends her first meeting with her team. She introduces herself confidently and starts to feel comfortable.